Okay, today has been quite the adventure. This morning we found out that our hotel was canceled. Then we got here to the Louvre, which you see behind us, and our tour was canceled. And back here...
because we were late because our hotel was canceled.
Right, and back there behind us, right there, is where we ate breakfast this morning. It was wonderful. See you soon. We got plenty of trunk room. Bonjour. Bonjour. Our chariot has arrived. Bonjour.
Checking in.
Yes, welcome. How are you?
Good.
All right, let's see what we got here.
Regular room.
Mm-hmm.
Nothing fantastic. Sorry.
It's nice.
You breeze in the morning. Every step is so golden. Oh yeah. Breathing you slowly. I never thought you would open up for me. I promise I will give you the love that you want. Can you tell me the truth? 'Cause I'm longing for you, girl. I need to know what's on your mind. There's no reason to choose, 'cause I'm falling for you, girl. Only gets better when you're pouring down on me. Oh, ooh, whoa.
Yeah, 2 lattes, please. Good, how are you? Oh, wonderful, thank you. Thank you. there's a small box. Yeah, that's decent.
Anything else? Card, go ahead. On the bag?
Oh, yes, actually, I do, because I probably
Do you want the receipt? Thank you very much. Bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. That's one way to get in there.
Yeah, that's perfect way.
And I'm coming with a card in a second. Our beautiful card is a special to the hotel. Also a special for lunch, so I will put it just here. You have 3 options between starters, main course, and dessert, and you can pick 2 or 3, or the price is just here.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Et différents toiles. Pour monsieur. It's okay for you?
Perfect, thank you.
Oh yes. Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
He gave me a good recommendation.
Thank you. Excellent.
Well, that looks amazing.
That looks fabulous.
Jet dans un verre rafraîchi. Avec de la glace. Ouais. Alors je vais le mettre comme ça, vous posez vous-même.
No more. Thank you.
Alright, merci. Alright, bon appetit. Aha. Ah, so it's my little tongues. This is like Pretty Woman. It's gonna. Oh, oh, oh. How's your I haven't tried it yet. Too hot. Looks right. That looks good. The other night didn't look quite right. Or it was crushed out over the sides like that, and with the cheese and this looks much better.
How's your snail?
Amazing. Delicious. I want to know how your soup is though. Good. Is it French?
It's very French.
Oh, it's very French. My snails are very French.